how to download Audacity. The first step would be to go on the internet and have a Google search. In your search tab, you will write Audacity download. Different links will appear. You will left click on the first link, download Audacity. Next step would be to choose which Audacity to download. We have Audacity for Windows, Audacity for Mac, Audacity for GNU Linux. We will left click on the first download link, Audacity for Windows. On the left bottom of your screen, you will have a download file. You will click on the download file to open it. Then you will have the first pop-up screen. You will left click on execute to start the download and select the language that you want, and we want English. Then we have 5 screens that will pop up one after the other, and each of them you will click on next. So the 5 next steps are to click on next. Then you will have the ready to install setup for Audacity. You will left click on install. After, you will click on next, and then you will complete the Audacity setup by left click on finish. And there you go, you have installed Audacity and you are ready to start.
Part 2. Record your questions and answers. Now that you have installed Audacity, it's time to record. Left click Record to record yourself. Record following the instructions in your Audacity activity sheet. Record such as this. First, you have to record yourself reading the questions and answering them. Leave at least 2 seconds between your questions and your answer. As an example, number 1. What is your name? My name is Chris. How old are you? I am 25 years old. When you're done, left click stop to stop recording. You can play your track to listen if you like it. If you don't like it, you can erase it by clicking X. You can change the microphone volume if it is too high or too low. When you are happy with your track, left click on File. Left click on Save Project. Put a name on your project and left click on Save. When you are done saving your project, left click on File. Left click on Export Audio. Put a name on your file and left click on Save. Put the file in your USB key. Put your name and the title of your track. Part 3. Now that you have exported your track, put it on your USB key or send it by mail to your partner. Your partner will do the same thing and you will have to import his track. To import his track, left click on File and left click on Import Audio. Select your partner's track and click on Open. Now a warning panel should open. Left click on OK when you see the warning panel. You have now 2 tracks. Each track have wave of your questions and your answers. You can mute one track to listen to the other by clicking on mute. Or you can solo one track to listen to this one by left-clicking on solo. Left-click on your friend track just before the question number 1. What is your name? You should see this cursor appear. Hold your left click and slide to the right to select the wave of question number 1. After the selection is done, copy it. Left click on copy. Select the wave of your question number 1 in your track. What is your name? Left click on paste. Now the wave of your friend is on your track. It's like if your friend asks the question and you answer it. Do the same thing with all the questions. When you are done, eliminate your friend track by left-clicking X. When you are done, save your work, export your track, and name it your name, edited presentation.
Second activity. Hello everybody. Now we all know how to use Audacity. We're going to make an activity. First of all, you are going to work with people that you're not used to work with. So I choose the teams. The reason that I choose different groups is because I want to leave you out of your comfort zone and invite you to join other people in class that maybe you haven't worked with yet. The teams are reading the board. Please peer up now. You are going to interview your partners about this topic, bullying in the school. Each group is going to show us their podcast at the end of the class. First of all, you can do your interviews and record the answer of the people interviewed. The choices of the questions are free. You need a minimum of 5 questions per interview. Do not forget to spare your file in Wave when you are finished. Those who want to present first, tell me. Now that everybody did activity, tell me what do you think about this activity? Do you have suggestions to improve or change the activity? Thank you for your comments. Next class, we're going to make another interview, one of our 5 different subjects. Now you can leave. Bye.